Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging into the registrar or DNS host. Use the account tied to your domain. Once in, go straight to the DNS or zone editor. Do not wander through settings. Make sure you have the domain name, current name servers, and a backup of existing records. This lets you restore if needed. Also check TTL values to estimate propagation time. Knowing TTL helps you plan timing for changes and reduces downtime risk. Now you make the actual edits. Change or add records to the new IP addresses and set TTL. Shorter TTL like 300 seconds helps faster rollback. If creating aliases, add CNAME but never at the zone apex. Instead, adjust a records there. For email, update MX records with correct host name and priority. For verification, add TXT entries such as SBF or DKIM. Once done, double-check each host name and syntax to prevent accidental downtime or mail loss. You finish by verifying the updates, run dig or enslookup, and check several public resolvers to see propagation. Once you see correct answers, clear your local DNS cache and test services, web, mail, and APIs. If something fails, revert to the backup records you saved, because conflicts or duplicate entries often cause issues. Make sure name servers are the ones managed by your host, otherwise changes won't apply. If problems persist, contact your registrar or host with specific record details.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.